What's up guys, Alec here, and in this video I'm going to talk about the "your account was compromised" message that people have been getting on Instagram. So real quick, this video is going to be a little bit of a different format, so please let me know what you think of it down in the comment section below. Okay, so over the last few weeks, Instagram users have been hit with a wave of messages stating their account was compromised, forcing these users to change their passwords. If you're watching this video, it's very likely that just like me, you also got the exact same following notification. This notification popped up on your screen, basically stopping you from being able to use Instagram, saying it looks like you shared your password with a service to help you get more likes or followers, which goes against our community guidelines. Change your password to continue using Instagram. If you share your new password with one of these services, you may get blocked from following, liking, or commenting, and then you are forced to change your password. Obviously, Instagram has started to crack down heavily on automation and can easily tell when we're using third-party apps. A lot of people have also been reporting that they're getting this message endlessly, meaning that they currently can't use Instagram. They're forced to change their password over and over, even after stopping and unlinking all automation software from their account. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what's causing all this mayhem and what we can do to hopefully fix this and keep your account safe moving forward. Why did you get this message? So there's a few reasons why you could have gotten this message. You could have been using a classic automation tool such as Jarvee. You could have been using a mass story viewing tool such as masslooking.com. That's what I was doing. You used an app from the App Store that helped you get more likes or more followers. It's one of those ones where you like follow each other, things like that. And the last reason is that you could have got unlucky and Instagram just decided to target your account anyway. So basically, Instagram has been working on shutting down all kinds of automation and inauthentic activity on their platform. This all started back in June 2019, and Instagram automation has been pretty unstable since then. The reason behind this is that when Instagram makes updates to the platform, they don't make anything public. This means that the developers of these black hat tools have to do a lot of testing and research to understand how all the latest updates have affected the automation game. It takes them time to understand a new algorithm and time to revise their software. So, what to do if you have gotten this message? First of all, change your password because you have to. There's no other option. Secondly, stop all automation. Let your account rest. I highly recommend stopping automation for at least a few weeks. You need to start building your account's trust score up again. Use Instagram as if you would normally without automation. Instagram is going to start recognizing that all the actions you're performing with your account are human. I actually wouldn't use automation again until it has been tested on a dummy account. Now, for a lot of you, if you can't be bothered to go through the hassle of testing automation on a dummy account before testing it on your own, you can always join my private Facebook group where we talk about black hat and white hat Instagram marketing, and in there I'm pretty sure quite a few of us are going to be testing automation over the next few weeks and sharing our results with everyone. So join that, the link is going to be in the description below. On top of stopping automation, I would also let your account rest from all types of actions. So that just means basically putting Instagram away for a few days. I would say for at least 48 hours, just don't open Instagram at all. And make sure you check what third-party apps your Instagram account is connected to as well, and make sure no other software has access to your account. Make sure you remove all third-party apps from within your account settings. So after you've done all of this, you're still receiving account compromised messages, and they are repetitive and they don't stop. It's very frustrating. What can you do now? So I'm going to share a few tips with you that I've used myself. I got this message on 3 different accounts. One of them I got the message 3 times in a row and it stopped, and I tried a few things out and I'm going to share them with you. So first of all, link your Facebook. If you haven't already done so, try linking your Instagram account to a Facebook page. It's often the case that spam and bot accounts aren't linked to any Facebook pages, so Instagram might see an account that is linked to one to be more trustworthy. Doing this would show Instagram that you are indeed a human. On one of my accounts, which was Meme Boy, I've spoken about it on this channel before, I didn't used to have a Facebook page and I was getting this message and I linked a Facebook page and I haven't gotten this message since. This seems to have worked for me. Tip number 2 is to log in from another device. Now, this works when you are action blocked. Although it isn't the same as an action block, it's still worth a shot, so try logging in from a different device and a different IP address. If this tip does help you, I'd be interested to hear it. Let me know in the comment section below. And then finally, my third and final tip is try running paid ads. On my personal account, I only had to change my password once, and this could have been due to the fact that I have paid ads running on my account. So as a last resort, give that a try, because on my personal account, like I said, I only got the notification once and I am running paid ads on that account for a different video. So that is all my tips. Hopefully Instagram fixes these issues soon. Some people aren't able to use Instagram due to this glitch, and I can imagine it's very, very annoying. And on another note, Instagram is definitely having some issues because the third account that I got this notification on isn't even using any automation. So hopefully this video helped you fix your account was compromised messages. If it did help, hit the like button. Any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And again guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.